Hi, Mom and Sir. I am Raquel Handok. I have two kids, aged 17 years old and 9 years old. I am 35 years old, second among my three siblings. I'm graduate in college with a degree in business administration. I have 7 years experience working in Singapore as a domestic helper in a two employer. My first employer is since 2018 to 2022. My job, my main duty is to taking care of the kids and cooking, car washing, ironing, and all the household chore. I taking care of kids since newborn, 1 year old, 3 years old, and 4 years old. My second employer is since 2022 to 2025. I taking care of two kids. The first one is 13 years old and the second one is 2 years old.